Chowdhury.
Thank you, Presiding Officer. Scotland's mental health crisis has reached breaking point. Over 30,000 people in Scotland are currently on a waiting list for mental health support. Mental health-related calls to NHS 24 are 7 times higher than in 2019. And in the last 2 years, over 4,000 patients have waited over a year before they have even been allocated their first appointment. This is unacceptable. COVID-19 and the cost of living crisis have placed mental health at the forefront of the political agenda as the Scottish population experience amplified feeling of anxiety. This year, Mental Health Awareness Week theme is anxiety. Children and young people studying at universities and colleges can often feel very overwhelmed by stress and anxiety. Mental Health Foundation research last year found that 64% of college students in Scotland had low mental health well-being and 55% had problems with mental health due to shame. Students in Scotland are not being able to access the help and support that they desperately need. If they're not able to rely on NHS, young people must have alternate route to seek counselling and advice for mental health issues. Universities and colleges are one of the places that young people can seek help and advice. Counselling service at universities and colleges provides students with some extra support at a time of their lives where stress and anxiety can seriously impact their mental health. Counsellors at our universities do a tremendous and essential job, supporting staff and students in finding solutions to their problems. Yet, many are now facing uncertainty about their jobs and the future of counselling services at university and colleges because funding from the Scottish Government will end in July. Up to 80 counselling jobs across higher and further education across Scotland are set to be cut if additional funding isn't allocated. University and colleges can be stressful and challenging environment for many young adults. The COVID-19 pandemic has only exacerbated this. Counsellors at the universities and colleges do vital work to reduce stress and anxiety and improve mental health. This also massively reduces the pressure on NHS service, who are already outsourcing children's mental health service to reduce waiting times. The Scottish Government must allocate continued funding now to save 80 counselling jobs across Scottish universities and colleges. This vital service must continue to be available to all students who need that little bit of extra support. During the Mental Health Awareness Week, the Scottish Government should make a commitment to students across Scotland that there will continue to be support there for those who need it. Thank you.